Coil spring. A coil spring is a mechanical device that stores mechanical energy by compressing and expanding in response to external forces. It is a type of torsion spring that is commonly used in various applications, including automotive suspensions, mattresses, industrial machinery, and more. The coil spring consists of a helical-shaped wire wound into a cylindrical shape. When a force is applied to the ends of the spring, it compresses or extends, storing the energy within the spring. Once the force is removed, the spring returns to its original shape, releasing the stored energy. Coil springs are widely used because they offer several advantages. They provide a stable and consistent force over a wide range of deflections, allowing them to absorb shocks and vibrations effectively. They also have the ability to support heavy loads while maintaining their performance. The design and characteristics of coil springs can vary depending on the specific application requirements. Factors such as wire diameter, coil pitch, number of coils, and the material used can all affect the spring's stiffness, load capacity, and durability. In automotive applications, coil springs are a critical component of a vehicle's suspension system. They help absorb road shocks, maintain tire contact with the road surface, and provide a comfortable ride. They are typically found in conjunction with shock absorbers or struts to further enhance the suspension's performance. Overall, coil springs are versatile mechanical devices that play a crucial role in numerous industries and applications, providing reliable and efficient means of storing and releasing mechanical energy. Types of coil spring. Coil springs are mechanical devices used to store and release energy. They are widely used in various applications, including automotive, industrial, and household products. Here are some common types of coil springs. Compression springs. Compression springs are the most common type of coil springs. They are designed to resist compression and store energy when they are compressed. These springs provide resistance when a force is applied to them, and they return to their original shape when the force is removed. Compression springs are used in many applications, such as shock absorbers, mattresses, automotive suspensions, and industrial machinery. Extension springs. Extension springs, also known as tension springs, are designed to resist stretching or extension. They store energy when pulled apart and release it when the force is released. Extension springs are commonly used in garage doors, trampolines, washing machines, and various other applications where stretching force is required. Torsion springs. Torsion springs are designed to resist twisting or torsion forces. They store energy by twisting or coiling, and they release the stored energy when the twisting force is released. Torsion springs are commonly used in clothespins, mousetraps, and various applications where rotational force or torque is required. Constant force springs. Constant force springs provide a constant force throughout their entire deflection range. These springs are typically made by tightly winding a strip of material onto a drum, creating a spiral shape. Constant force springs are often used in applications where a constant and linear force is required, such as window shades, retractable pens, and tape measures. Variable rate springs. Variable rate springs have a nonlinear force deflection characteristic. The force they provide changes as they are compressed or extended. Variable rate springs are used in applications where the force requirements change throughout the deflection range, such as in automotive suspension systems or shock absorbers. These are some of the commonly used types of coil springs. Each type has its own design and characteristics, allowing them to serve specific purposes in various applications. Thanks for watching.